Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have what matters, a Google account and the YouTube app. Open the app and sign in. This links your Google identity to YouTube. Once done, tap the profile icon in the top right, then select Create a Channel. You'll be prompted to pick a name and add a photo, choose something clear. This step establishes your channel identity. Make sure your account email is the one you want associated with your channel before you continue to set up features. Now customize so viewers understand who you are. Tap your Channel Edit Channel or Channel Customization to add a description, social links, and contact details. This helps search and trust. Next, verify your phone number in settings. Verification enables longer uploads and live streaming. Then upload channel art and a clear profile image. These visuals improve recognition. Once done, set default upload visibility and tags to save time. These details make your channel look professional and ready for content. To publish, tap the plus sign, choose Upload a Video, pick your clip, and fill title, description, and thumbnail. Titles and thumbnails drive clicks. Choose Visibility, Public for reach, unlisted to share selectively, private to draft, or schedule for later. After uploading, monitor analytics in the YouTube Studio app to spot trends. If you hit problems, try this. Restart the app, confirm mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable, free up storage, and ensure you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.